everybody. My name is Janice and I am the owner of Magic Hair Company located here in Culver City, California, USA. Our wigs are available only here in our store where we have hundreds of wigs to choose from. We do custom coloring, we have one-on-one wig consultations, you name it, we have it here at Magic Hair Company. We also have our very own hair care product line, so check it out on our website, magichaircompany.com, or here in our Culver City store. Thank you everybody for watching. As usual, it is 3 o'clock and we are going to show you our live wig show. Now, lately we have been getting lots of calls and emails about these wig deals that are 3 wigs for $55 or 6 wigs for $100. We do not, nor will we ever have that deal. That company is scamming you. Their website is Magic Wig Shop and they are scamming people, sending them doll hair. They have stolen my logo as well as a couple other companies, black-owned hair company logos, and don't be scammed. You cannot get 3 wigs for $55 or 6 wigs for $100 at magichaircompany.com now or never. If you have fallen for that deal, contact PayPal, get your money back. Magichaircompany.com doesn't take PayPal. That company is a scam. You can tell because their website ends with .shop. This is our logo here. If you see this logo altered in any way, it is not Magic Hair Company. Here's a better view of our logo here. magichaircompany.com. If it says wig shop at the bottom, or if you are at magicwigshop.com and getting that $50 for 3 wigs deal, you have been scammed. Do not get scammed. I have worked very hard on this business for the last 10 plus years. We are open here in Culver City. Excuse me. I am the owner. I've always been the owner. Thank you for everybody who has been shopping with us. We are currently open here in Culver City, Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Come on in and have a one-on-one wig consultation. We'll make sure you know how to wear your wig properly. We'll make sure that you know how to maintain your wigs and extensions. You can see all of our different colors, textures, and options that we offer here. I've been doing this for 10 years, ladies and gentlemen, so when I tell you I have the best, believe me. Come on in and shop with us. Our wigs are exclusively available at magichaircompany.com. All right, guys, so let me show you what we have in stock right now. This is one of our beautiful butterfly lock wigs. So this is what this looks like. We've been getting a lot of calls and requests for it. I thank you everybody for all of your calls and everything last week. Last week I wasn't here because I was off getting married. And thank you guys for all your love and support and all your questions and concern. And I did post pictures, so thank you guys for all your lovely comments. Here is a beautiful 22-inch deep body wave front lace wig, and to maintain any of our curly or wavy textures, use our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. This is exactly what you need. Just use a little bit of this with some water and your hair will bounce back and be freshly hydrated. We have this unit here. This is our really popular unit number 185. All of our curly wigs and extensions are very easy to maintain. I'll actually be hydrating one of our wigs in just a second. Now this beautiful unit right here is Kinky straight with bangs, custom colored. We can customize your bangs for you any way you want. Take a look at this right here. We can customize your red for you any way you can imagine. So if you want a red wig, screenshot that image and send it over to us and we will gladly customize the color for you. We have the best custom wig colors here at Magic Hair Company. Shop with us if you want the best. We have the best wigs, the best quality of wigs. When I tell you, you know, a lot of people ask, well, how do you know that you guys have great quality wigs? Because I've been doing this for 10 years. And I know all of my suppliers, I know what's out there in the industry, and I know what's going on. So that's one of the benefits of shopping with us. Not only are we black owned, not only do we have a place you can walk into so you can really see, smell, touch the hair, and see where it's coming from. We're here. Our website is magichaircompany.com. This is a 16-inch yaki custom colored wig. Hopefully you guys can see this texture here. If you guys want any more information on our wigs, go head over to magichaircompany.com and you will find all of the wigs available. But of course we have wigs available in the store than we have online because we can only update our website so fast. This is unit number 636. It's a 16-inch deep body wave, full lace. So when it's full lace, you have a lot of style and versatility with the parting, and you can freely part it anywhere, whether you want to do it straight down or across. You can do that with the full lace wigs from Magic Hair Company. I see we're getting some questions in. Again, all of our wigs are available at magichaircompany.com. We do have financing available through QuadPay. So if you have a QuadPay account, you can go ahead and break those payments up into 4 easy payments. This is another one of our great full lace braided wigs. So if you're looking for some quality braided wigs, if you don't want to sit and wait and get your hair braided on for hours, you no longer have to. I have one of our braided wigs on right here. This is wig number 505.
I believe so.
50 something. So go to our braided wig section and you'll see this lovely wig here. Check out this hairline. You saw how easy it was for me to put it on. I love our braided wigs. My next vacation, you know, once we're allowed out the house again, I'm wearing a braided wig, either my short hairstyle or one of our great braided wigs. We do have some jet black silky straight hair in stock, as well as our 1B color. This is another 22-inch full lace, deep body wave texture.
Somebody said, how do you make an appointment?
Make an appointment by either giving us a call at 310-558-0181, or you can go to our website, magichaircompany.com. The chat box will pop up, and then just let us know, hey, I'd like to make an appointment, and we'll reply to you in a few short minutes, and we'll let you know our available schedule. We are currently taking appointments Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. We do prefer that you have an appointment right now, just because, you know, we're still in the pandemic. And we want to make sure that we don't have too many people in the store at one time, and that we can give you the one-on-one attention that you need. So we do prefer that you have an appointment. It's not required, but preferred. This wig right here is a 20-inch body wig that we custom colored, and she's on clearance for $450. Nothing's wrong with this wig. It's just our old cap style, so we want to get it out of here and make room for more, because if you guys have been by our store lately, you know that we barely have any room on our shelves, so we need to get some of our older wigs out of here. This is another 20-inch silky straight wig. This is wig number 575. Has some custom highlights in it. Whether you want it to be some highlights going this way, or ombre going this way, or both, let us know here at Magic Hair Company. We will gladly accommodate you. If you want high quality hair that's going to last, it's not going to shed or tangle, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company, because we have the best hair around. Now this is one of my favorites. This is a custom colored red curly wig. Actually, I'm going to wipe this down in just a second. Let me get through these couple of here. This is an 18-inch custom colored curly. We have some more long wavy here. This is one of our popular units. This is unit number 716. It's a 12-inch bob. Check out this custom highlight here.
Somebody said, do you need to make an appointment to drop off for a wash and style?
Yes, just kind of let us know you're on the way and say, hey, I want to drop off my wigs. We do wash and style any of our wigs, but we are open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6. So you want to just come on in, we're open, we're here. Here is our hair care product line. Again, if you want to maintain your wigs and extensions at home, utilizing the best products available, pick up our hair care product line. We have our keratin shampoo and conditioner that will, you know, continue the longevity of your quality extension. This is a little more of our custom color that we're working on. She's not done, so this is a little preview. This is one of our red bobs. This is wig number 575. She has bangs. But again, see the different colors in the reds. We have lots and lots of different reds to choose from. Are these different or similar?
Similar.
These are similar red colors, but we can do your red any color you want. Whether you want it more of a burgundy, more of a wine, more of a fire red, we can do that here for you at Magic Hair Company. And of course we have Kinky straight clip-in. So this is our clip-in bundle right here. Our clip-in bundles are 140 grams. That's about a bundle and a half. And this is our beautiful, beautiful kinky straight texture. So if you just want to add a little bit of fullness and length to your already beautiful, luscious hair, grab some of our Kinky straight clip-ins while they're in stock. Look how thick these are right here. They're thick, they're soft. You can obviously run your fingers through it. There's no shedding at the bottom, and look how full this is right here. If you want quality hair, shop with Magic Hair Company. Shop with us because we are the best. Okay, let me hydrate this for you guys here. So in this spray bottle here, of course, I have our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. And I'm just going to wet this down just a little bit right here, just to kind of show you how the texture looks when we define it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Again,
can you use that on your natural hair?
Yes, you absolutely can. And the products are natural. So you can definitely use it on your natural hair. When I introduced this product line, I specifically wanted to introduce something that you can use on your human hair, wigs, and your natural hair. So you can definitely use this on your natural hair as well, especially our shampoo and conditioner. And if you have curly hair, you want the curl pattern defined, absolutely go ahead and add some of this. I like to add it in a spray bottle just like this. I probably cover the bottom like here, and the rest of this is water. Again, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. I can't tell you how many people are saying very mean, rude things to me from getting scammed from Magic Wig Shop. We do not have, nor will we ever have, a 3 wigs for $55 special. We don't have any synthetic wigs. We only have human hair wigs, and our wigs are only available here in store and on our website, magichaircompany.com. So I just kind of wet this little bit right here. I'll save you guys from watching me wet the whole entire thing, but you see when you wet it, it just kind of, you know, it gets nice and defined. Let it dry, and there you go. Again, my name is Janice. I am the owner of Magic Hair Company. This is my logo here. We are located in Culver City, California, USA, and we have hundreds of wigs in stock. We are here to service you. If you are suffering from hair loss at home or wherever, you don't need to suffer anymore. You can come on in, get a quality wig, a wig that's going to last you and look very natural. We will give you the one-on-one attention you need. We'll teach you how to maintain your wig, take your wig on and off, and we will get you a wig that looks perfect for you. Whether you want a new style or an old style, we at Magic Hair Company will take care of you. We have quality hair. There's no need to suffer in silence anymore, or if you just want a new look, we will take care of you here at Magic Hair Company. Here's a little bit more of our Kinky straight, and this is a view part. So if you want to just pull your own natural hair out right there, we'll simply cut this lace for you, and then you can wear it. This is unit number 214, so if you want more information on this wig right here, go on over to magichaircompany.com. That's the only place you can find my wigs. magichaircompany.com. Put in unit number 214, and all of her information will pop up. We do have free domestic shipping, so anywhere in the United States, your order will get delivered to you for free with the signature. We do have in-store pickup available, so if you place your order online, select in-store pickup, and you can pick up your unit anytime during our store hours, and yes, we do ship internationally. This is like a teal aqua kind of color. We can definitely customize the color for you any way that you want. We have some short braided wigs, we have some short curly hair. Any style that you want, we can do that for you here at Magic Hair Company. We are your #1 glueless, full lace, and front lace wig supplier located in the USA. We're located about 10 minutes from LAX, so if you're flying into LAX for the weekend, come on in and get your wig, because we got you. We have all of these wigs here for you to choose from. We can customize the color for you. Check out our website if you're planning on coming in. Screenshot or write down the image number, and we can definitely duplicate any wig for you. If you're looking on our website and there's something that you want and you don't see, just give us a call or send us a message, and we can probably create that unit for you here in our store. If you are looking for a natural, high quality wig that will last you, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We have the best wigs available. Again, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com and here in our Culver City store, where we are currently open Monday through Friday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. Let me know if you guys have any questions. We are always here and available to assist you. And yeah, we do custom coloring. Don't wait until the last minute for custom coloring. If you see something you like, go ahead and add it to your shopping cart, because a lot of times we only have a couple of wigs in stock. We have clip-ins, we have closures, we have frontals, and we do have a few bundles available. Shop our hair care product line to maintain your wigs and extensions. And everything's on sale right now at magichaircompany.com. Again, our website, the only place you can get wigs from us is magichaircompany.com. My name is Janice. I am the owner here at Magic Hair Company, where we're changing lives one custom wig at a time. I'll see you guys later. Bye.